Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about default arguments. Let's create a function employee details and name, department and salary. These are the parameters we need to pass. Here I'll print name, I'll use placeholder, department and salary dot format. So name, department and salary. Okay, so let's call this function. So first we have to pass the name, then department and then salary. Let's run this. Yeah, it works. So very basic function. So what is the default arguments? Default arguments can be specified here. In case I don't specify the salary, it will take this value. So this is the default value. Now I can call this function like this. Only two parameters, name and department. So salary I can skip. If I don't specify salary, it will take this value, default value. I'll comment this part. Let's run it and you can see it works. So this is default value. We can specify from right to left. Here I'll give a department and I'll call again so this okay, let's run it. This also I'll uncomment. And you can see all three function call works. Here we specify all the parameters. Here salary, it will take default value. In this case only one parameter, other two will be default values. So you can see here. So all function calls are valid. Now important point here to understand, these default values should be from right to left. It means I cannot skip this and specify only this. So it is wrong. So no default parameters follows default parameters. So this should be there, then only we can specify here. So this is default parameters. There is one more concept here. Keyword arguments. So what I can do here, let's call this if I do like this, it will pass this value to department, because from left to right it will assign. The first is name, second is department. But what if I want department the default value and I want to assign the salary? So this way it will not work. You can see department, it will take the value. So here I can specify. So let's say it is a salary, so I can specify the name of the argument here, parameter here. So it's a salary. Now if I run this, it will work. So department, it will take the default, and salary, it will take what value I specify here. So keyword arguments. So many built-in functions provide this option, keyword arguments, where we can specify which particular arguments you want to specify the value. Other may be optional.